Well, my name is Xaveer de Geyter. I come from Brussels. I have my office in Brussels. We're about 55 people and we work mainly in Belgium, France, Switzerland and so on. But I've known Albania for some time now. We've been twice invited for a competition. Once we lost and once we won, but we didn't build so far. Well, I learned this morning a lot from the explanation of the other Brussels office, the way they learned how to work with the specific situation here, which is in itself quite different, in one way very different from the way we work in Belgium, but at the same time, it's also about the same kind of attitude that one needs to get a project realized. I think the sprawl that we encounter now here is something that cannot be turned back. What is needed is maybe to bring a limit to this kind of development eventually, and on the other hand, find ways, strategies to deal with it. For instance, when I saw this morning plans of completely informal neighborhoods, they do not look on the map essentially different from what more organized neighborhoods look like. And so I think it's, if it is, what is to be found is ways to deal with it. So bring social functions into these neighborhoods and develop them into real cities. Personally, I think at first view let's say the new government has to find ways to cope with this informality. So not fight against it, but live with it and make it livable for everybody. It is almost of a political level. Urbanism anyhow has to do a lot with politics and economy and so on. So what is to be delivered is a number of thorough studies of what the situation really is. We get an impression now, but it should be somehow objectivated, and then it will be possible to propose new ways to deal with it. I think from a Western point of view, West European point of view, that is exactly what is needed, because the situation is not an orthodox one. It is not with a fully worked out system of rules that this situation will be turned into something with a lot of potential. So I think out of the box thinking, what an artist is supposed to be able to do, might work well here.